Our vines start from a height of 150 metres to 650 metres above sea level, with terrains made of clay and marley, with veins of chop and tuff. The architecture of the vineyard was conceived in an eco-sustainable way, with the vinification area situated 7 metres underground. Harley-Davidson himself chose our location to present in Italy the new 750 Street. Design, emotion, bien vivre. Later, the grapes are washed, dried, and then placed in a thermal chamber at a temperature of 7 degrees Celsius for 24 hours, to make sure that the aromas become better conserved. After a selection is done, the grapes are placed on Teflon tape in order to be pressed between a closed press, with total absence of oxygen and inoculating CO2. An aerostatic balloon recycles the CO2 for 20 pressings, safeguarding the environment. We utilise the fallen grape principle to protect the quality. After the malolactic process, the Pinot Noir, vinified in red, goes through the aging barrier in French barrels of medium toasting, where once a week the batonnage is done. The temperature is constantly monitored at 14.5 degrees Celsius with 90% humidity. By following a precision viticulture, the main agronomic data from multiple sources are managed online by an elaborated software. Vines have satellite mapping, and the agricultural equipment has a receiver with a precise fertilization plan managed by the satellite that works based on the type of soil. Weather stations placed on the vineyards communicate data every 15 minutes to a central software that will elaborate the data, giving statistical calculations, helping us to reduce treatments by 50%. Throughout the years, we have done effective collaboration in co-marketing with some important universities. For example, the Università degli Studi di Milano, ULM, Università di Pavia, and the Università Cattolica del Sacro Cuore. A consistent portion of the vineyard is dedicated to Università Statale di Milano, Department of Environmental and Agricultural Sciences, for research and development. Through accurate sampling, we do meso and macro vinification of grapes of Pinot Noir, thinned and not thinned. First and second racking at different heights. Each year we create 30 different types of Pinot Noir that are refined, creating a unique database, and only the most excellent are then produced and sold. With the ULM Università, we have made some outstanding projects from a neuromarketing lab, through which we make objective, improvable data measuring emotions. The main tools that we use are eye tracking, measurement of facial emotions, analysis for time of response and latency, electroencephalography, and brain picturing techniques. The psychophysical signals that take place are skin conductance, heartbeat, respiration, and the dilatation of the pupil. With the Università di Pavia, we are working on 2 projects. The first regarding the nutraceutical identifying in Pinot Noir grapes some substances like polyphenols that have a positive impact on health, reducing cardiovascular problematics. And a second project with the University di Ulm and Pavia, that through a withdrawal of DNA, they create a taste mapping conducted on different ethnic groups related to the international vine, the Pinot Noir. La Malvasia grapes are harvested when they are completely mature, to let them completely wither on some mats and steel nets in order to provide a natural aeration that creates a natural dehydration for the grapes. Our vines, dedicated to the production of Metolo Classico, are located between a height of 400 metres and 650 metres above sea level, with soils of clay nature with limestone veins. During the sparkling process and the aging on yeast, the temperature is consistently kept at 14 degrees Celsius.